Numbers. Before that, just recall the different type of numbers. First one, natural numbers. Now, one, two, three, 4, etc. So, start from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. This number system is known as natural numbers. It is denoted by n, capital N. Next, we want to include 0. Now, we can read as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So, this number system known as whole numbers, that is, it is denoted by W. Okay, whole numbers. It is denoted by W. Next, coming with negative numbers, that is -1, -2, -3, etc. So here, let us consider this number system a set of positive numbers and negative numbers with 0. So this number system will become a integers. It is denoted by Z. Okay, that is integers. Okay, so natural numbers. So a natural number start from 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, and a whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, next, integers. So integer is nothing but the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, including 0 and negative numbers. Okay, so integers. Moving to the right side is a positive integers. And moving to the left hand side, that is negative integer. Negative integers. Okay, the mid value 0 is nothing but neither positive and nor negative. Neither positive nor negative. Now we are going to learn about rational numbers. What is rational numbers? It is denoted by Q. Okay, here number is said to be a rational number. If satisfy the three conditions. Okay, three conditions, that is first condition, which is a format as V by Q, and second condition, P and Q are integer. P and Q are integers, and the denominator Q should be not equal to 0. Okay, and third one condition, which goes no common factors Okay, so a number is said to be a rational if satisfy three conditions. Okay, first one, which is the format p by q. Second condition, p and q are integers and the denominator q not equal to 0. And finally, third condition, which has no common factors other than 1. Okay, a number satisfies three conditions. We can say that a number is a rational. Okay, example. Example 1. Example 1. 2 by 3 is a rational number. Okay, now we got to check. Okay, so apply the first condition. What's the first condition? Format b by q. Format is b by q. Format is b by q. That is 2 by 3, where numerator p equal to 2 and denominator q equal to 3. Therefore, which is the format 2 by 3. Therefore, first condition is satisfied. And move on to the second condition. What's the second condition? The p and q are the integers. That is 2 and 3 belongs to z. Z is nothing but integer. Okay, and the denominator q equal to 3. Okay, and the denominator 3 not equal to 0. Okay, now second condition is also satisfied. And so third one condition, no common factors other than 1. Okay, a number 2 by 3 which has no common factors. Okay, 2 by 3 has no common factors. Therefore, a number 2 by 3 satisfies three conditions. Now we can say that 2 by 3 is a rational number. Now example 2. Check whether two is a rational or not. Okay, now we got to check it is a rational or not. Okay, so apply the first condition. What's the first condition? Which is the format b by q. Here given number is 2. This number only having the numerator. Okay, don't have the denominator. Okay, is a rational? Any clue? Yes, 2 is a rational number because every number can be written in the form of 2 by 1. Okay, 2 by 1, that is 2. Okay, so now which is the format b by q, that is p equal to 2 and q equal to 1. Therefore, first condition is satisfied. Okay. And move on to the second condition. What's the second condition? The numerator and the denominator are the integer. Okay, so here 2 and 1 belongs to z. And the denominator 1 not equal to 0. Second condition is also satisfied. Okay, and third condition, a number 2 by 1 has no common factors other than 1. Okay, 2 by 1 has no common factors. Therefore, 2 is a rational number. Example 3. Is 0 a rational number? Is 0 a rational number? 0 is a rational number or not? Yes, 0 is a rational number because yes, 0 is a rational number because or since 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 7, 0 by 100, whatever it may be, 0 by any number the denominator, the value is 0. Okay, now we are taking any number from this 0 by 1. Okay, now which is the format? B by Q, where the numerator is here 0, denominator 1. Okay, satisfy the first condition. Okay, what's the second condition? 0, 1 belongs to Z and the denominator 1 not equal to 0. Okay, second condition also satisfied. What's the third condition? Which has no common factors. 0 by 1 which has no common factors. Therefore, 0 is a rational number. Therefore, 0 is a rational number. Example 4. Check whether 2 by 4 is a rational or not. Now, apply the condition. First condition. What's the first condition? Which is a format B by Q. Here, numerator 2 and the denominator 4. Therefore, first condition satisfied. What's the second condition? P and Q are the integers and the denominator Q, that is 4 not equal to 0. Okay, 2, 4 belongs to Z and the denominator 4 not equal to 0. Therefore, second condition also satisfied. What's the third condition? Which has no common factors. Here, third condition is failed because 2 and 4 okay, 2 and 4 is a common factor of 2. Therefore, this is not a rational number. How to convert into the rational number? How to convert into the rational numbers? We are taking the HCF, that is 2 by 4 divided by the common factor 2, numerator as well as the denominator. Okay, what's the value? 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 is a rational number. Next, standard form of a rational number. Okay, what's the standard form of rational numbers? Okay, so here rational numbers with 3 conditions. Extra I got to add one more condition. What's the one more condition? The fourth one condition, the denominator Q not equal to 0 and the denominator should be positive. Okay, denominator should be Q should be positive. Okay, example. minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is a rational numbers. Okay, 1 by 2 is a standard form of a rational number. Yes, because the denominator 2 should be positive. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 is a rational number in standard form. And example 2. 2 by minus 3. This is not in standard form. This is not a standard form. How to convert to the standard form? So 2 by minus 3, we are multiplying the denominator by minus 1. Okay, here plus, here minus. According to the multiplication, plus into minus, minus 1 into 2, 2. Here minus or minus plus, that is 3. Now this number will become minus 2 by 3. Therefore, minus 2 by 3 is a rational number. In standard form. Okay, clear? Standard form of a rational number. Next, result. Every natural number is a rational number. But okay, result 1. Every natural number is a rational number, but every rational number is not a natural number. Okay, example. Two belongs to n and 2 belongs to q. Therefore, you can choose any number from the n equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, that is n is a subset of q. You can choose any number from the n. That number is a rational number. Okay, so every natural number can be written in the form of b by q. That is, we can choose 3 means 3 by 1, 4 means 4 by 1. Okay, therefore every natural number is a rational number. And you can choose rational number 7 by 2, but does not belongs to n. Therefore, every rational number is not a natural number. Clear? And result 2. Result 2, every result 2, every whole number is a rational number, but every rational number is not a whole number. Okay, example. Whole number w start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have seen 0 is a rational number in the previous example. Okay, now 0 is a rational is a standard result. You can choose any number belongs to W. For example, 14 belongs to W. This number can be written as 14 by 1 belongs to Q. Therefore, a whole number 14 is also a rational number. You can choose any number from the whole number. That number will be a rational number. Okay, but 9 by 2 or minus 3 does not belongs to W. Therefore, every rational number is not a whole number. Okay. Result 3. Every integer is a rational number, but every integer is a rational number, but every rational number is not a integer. Okay. Result 3.